Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix too many codes sent into the last code you received. So guys, if you're trying to sign in your Apple ID or Apple account on your Apple device but you're facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, basically this error means you hit Apple's security rate limit for two-factor authentication codes. Stop requesting new codes and wait exactly 24 hours without attempting any logins. So guys, if you have it, try entering the most recent code you received or use trusted device to authenticate manually. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solutions. That is, you have to simply go for the first solution, that is, don't touch the login prompt. Every time you try again before the cooldown ends, you risk resetting the 24-hour timer. So guys, do this, and the next solution is that you have to simply use a trusted device. If you have an iPad, Mac or other iPhone already logged into your Apple ID, it will often display the verification code automatically. Check those devices instead of replying on SMS. So guys, the next solution is that you have to simply reset the network settings of your device. So guys, for that, go to general settings and then scroll it below all the way and go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply try a different browser or app on your device to sign in your Apple account. So as use a different browser or app and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply go to the support app, and from here you have to simply get the support from the Apple team regarding this issue. So hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.